Hi, I'm Ecclestone. I'm with AYVA Educational Solutions, and I'm at the NSTA conference at the PASCO booth. And for the very first time, I have had a chance to play with the modular circuit kits, and I'm really excited by this new product. Right now, if you take a look at the kits, it's just a very simple circuit that I've got with a switch on it and 2 batteries and a light bulb. And you can see if I switch the switch down here, the light bulb goes on. If I open the switch, it instantly goes off. Right? So the nice thing about this simple circuit is that it's going to look exactly like the diagrams that the students have in their lesson plan. The other thing I really like about it is how quickly you can change and alter the configurations and add and remove different components. Right now I'm going to take out one of the modules, as such, very simple to do, and I'm going to put in a resistor. And I put the resistor in, and it's got these very convenient clips that complete the circuit as such, and you can see now that the light bulb is not nearly as bright as it was before because I had a resistor in there. All right, so this is a simple circuit in series. What about a parallel circuit? Well, what I can do here is the module, put that piece back in. All right, put the clips back in, and now this is really cool. I'm going to create a parallel circuit. I'm going to open that up for now. Okay. And on this parallel circuit, I've got a few things. All right, the first thing I've got here is a capacitor, and on the parallel circuit. All right, and I also have a current sensor. Now, it's not probably a current sensor that you've seen before, like anything you've seen before, because in this particular current sensor, it's actually built into one of the modules. So students will have a very clear indication that the current sensor is in series as opposed to a voltage sensor that would be in parallel to the circuit. So what's cool about this is I've created now a circuit, a parallel circuit. If I close the circuit like that, the light bulb goes on, it's as bright as it ever was. All right. Now notice what happens when I open up the circuit. I open up the circuit, the light bulb stayed on for a period of time. I can do that again. I close the circuit. All right. Capacitor is building up charge here. I open up the circuit. If you want to bring the camera a little bit closer, notice it doesn't go off right away. And you might say, well, that's how all light bulbs behave. Well, look what happens when I disconnect one of the components. So now I've broken, all right, the parallel circuit, so I'm back into a circuit in series, and look what happens when I open that circuit right now. It shuts off. All right, so this is very exciting. I love the way the pieces all clip together, how easy it is, how robust it is, that I can lift it up like this, as such, and that if I have a lesson plan and decide to go off script and play with it, I still understand what's happening with the circuit. Think about how that would compare to another product that just used wires. And it's hard enough to get it configured right the first time, but think when you start playing around with it, moving wires around, you'll have no idea what's going on. All right, so thank you very much, and hopefully you'll have a chance to play with electric circuits sometime at your school.